So this is a website called Unicorn Studio. All you have to do is search Unicorn Studio on Google and then click the first link and you have to sign up. So as you can see, I have already signed up and here are some effects that you can use. So let's use liquid glass. You click liquid glass and then you can add your image. So first I want to delete this image, so I'll simply delete it, then click this image icon and add my image. So this will take a bit of time depending on your internet speed, and I have already practiced one, so I'm showing you from the beginning. So after your image is uploaded, you can click the image. Now there are some layers, so I actually clicked 3 times, so I have to delete some images. Okay, now I will drag my image to the bottom layer. Now you can see this has this liquid glass effect. You click export and if I have to download a video, all I have to do is click export and then click MP4 or wave. Let's click wave and then click export. So this is the actual recording. See, it's pretty easy and simple, and the basic idea is while you click export, you have this bit of time to do the things you want, and that will be recorded. So this is a great website and you can try different effects and it's completely free. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it.